Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this huge breakout from this big and long-term down channel. After that, the price has rallied very well. And now we are about to hit the target for this down channel. And it has also formed this quite huge rising wedge pattern as well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 2330%. And when it was moving inside this wedge, in those days, I have been telling you that once render token will be able to break out this down channel, then we can expect a very long-term move to the upside. And you can see that we broke out this resistance of the channel here in the month of October 2022. After that, we had a big drop, but the price then retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and then geared up. And we can see that we had a very long-term rally. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared 5 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 35% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared 5 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that render formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying range, and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 35%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal early pattern that render was completing with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And I shared this idea in the month of November 2023. And this was their buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very powerful reversal and it rallied more than 111%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render, and you can see that previously it had been moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of November 2021 up till here, and in the month of October 2022 we broke it out but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.17. And after this rejection, the price then tested the support, the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and this quite long-term support of 40 cents as well. Then we geared up, and you can see that we had a very powerful rally, and now recently render has formed this rising wedge pattern, and right now it is trying to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. At the same time, it is also trying to break out the resistance of $6.50 resistance as well that was previously working as a resistance here, and now you can see that the price line is struggling to break it out. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that still this is the third day that the price line is trying to break out these two resistance. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the wedge and this $6.50 resistance, then soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel that is here at the top of the channel between $8 $10. And if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that target can be, by the way, quite big. That can be here approximately at between somewhere $9 to $20. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.